Download the firmware for your printer model. The latest general releases can be obtained from Xerox's support site. Xerox's models start with the series and end with the speed. For example, an AltaLink C8030 would be an 80 series device with a 30 page per minute engine. Ensure your downloaded firmware matches the model you have. Log into the printer's web UI. Go to Fleet Orchestrator or General Setup, Software Upgrade. Select Create Install File. Select Install a file. Ensure Software Upgrade file is selected. If required, allow software upgrades. Now go back to Software Upgrade. Browse to the extracted firmware files and select the firmware DLM file. The file name will contain the model range and the version. Select Install. The file will be submitted to the printer and upgrade will commence shortly. Allow 30 minutes to an hour for upgrades to complete, in which time the printer will show progress on its UI.